Hello everyone. In this video, we'll learn about a very useful function in Unity called OnDestroy. What is OnDestroy? OnDestroy is a Unity mono-behavior method that is automatically called when a GameObject is removed from the scene, destroyed, or when the scene is closed. This method is ideal for cleanup tasks before the object is gone. For example, playing effects when the object is destroyed, releasing memory, unsubscribing from events, freeing up resources. Alright, let's not waste any more time. Inside this script, we use two important functions, OnMouseDown and OnDestroy. The OnMouseDown function is called automatically by Unity when the user clicks on the object with the mouse. In our code, inside this function, we simply call destroy GameObject. So when we click the object, Unity removes it from the scene, basically destroys it. Now, what happens when the object is destroyed? That's where OnDestroy comes in. OnDestroy is a special function that is called right before the object is removed or destroyed. In our script, inside OnDestroy, we first print a message box deleted to the console. Then, if we have assigned an explosion effect prefab, we instantiate it at the position of the destroyed object. This way, when we click the box, it disappears and an explosion effect appears at its place. Also, we can track this action through the console messages. This video, I used this amazing VFX package from the Unity Asset Store, VFX Magical Flames. It's completely free to use, so feel free to check it out and try it in your own projects. Big thanks to the creator for sharing it for free. Alright then, let's test it out and see it in action. Remember, OnDestroy is your last chance to run code before the object disappears. Use it wisely for cleanup, effects, and logging. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Unity tips. See you in the next one.